So next up, guys, got a 1993 John Deere 7800 tractor. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360-degree view, but basically it's a unit that came in on trade. It does have 8 front weights there. Tread on the rubber looks to be pretty dang good. You know, I'll go around it, but it does have 3 auxiliary remote hydraulics on the back, guys, 540, 1000 PTO. You have heat, AC, a cab. She fires up, seems to run strong, guys. The only thing they said, yard guy was talking to me about it, said when he was shifting into 3rd gear within a range, that at first it did not engage. He shifted it down back into 2nd, re-shifted into 3rd, and then it did engage. And he said it did shift into 4th, but obviously sells as is, where is, guys. This thing is showing like 178 hours as well, but I'm here with the yard guy. He's gonna fire it up. He'll go ahead, give you a nice demo. Fires right off there, guys. He'll rev it up, run it around for you. But like I said, kind of shift her in there. She's running through some gears there for you. Try to spin it around. Does have a radio. Like I said, cab, heat, air. Rubber looks pretty solid. Got your weights. Engine bay seems good and clean. Kind of fire off. He's going to take her in reverse here for you too, just show you that. So there you go, guys. There's the demo on the 1993 John Deere 7800. Kind of paint looks good and stuff like that, but obviously sold as is where it is. So good luck, guys. Auction time and Old 20 Auctions.